Welcome back. Today, we explore the profound impact of Winston Churchill on education and its role in a democratic society. Winston Churchill, a prominent British statesman, served as Prime Minister during World War II and was known for his powerful speeches and leadership. But beyond politics, he had a keen understanding of education's role in shaping society. During the war, Churchill recognized that education was vital for fostering resilience and unity. He believed that cultural education could promote understanding and tolerance among nations, essential for a harmonious society. After the war, Churchill emphasized the need for an educated citizenry to prevent future conflicts. He argued that a strong education system could empower individuals to appreciate diverse cultures and perspectives. Churchill advocated for cultural education as a means to foster unity in diversity. He believed that understanding different cultures was key to building bridges and promoting peace. Churchill's vision continues to influence educational philosophies today. Schools and programs that prioritize cultural education aim to cultivate empathy and global awareness among students. In an increasingly interconnected world, Churchill's insights remind us that education is more than knowledge. It's about nurturing responsible citizens who can engage with diversity thoughtfully. Winston Churchill's legacy in education highlights the critical role it plays in sustaining democracy and fostering understanding. Let's honor his vision by supporting educational initiatives that embrace cultural diversity. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video enlightening, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we can promote education as a foundation for a better future.